The following program is for informational purposes only and not intended to cure or prevent any illness or disease. Consult your doctor or physician before beginning any exercise, diet, health, or juicing program. Hi everybody, welcome to Juice Raw Veggies. I'm Gary Bosek and I want to tell you about Dandelion. I've been juicing this for 4 days and I feel amazing. Now I'm mixing it with things like, strawberries and apples to make it taste better, but let me tell you, I never feel better than when I'm juicing dandelion. Now make sure you're not doing more than 4 ounces of the dandelion itself at a time, and make sure you're not doing it for more than 3 or 4 days straight. This stuff is really potent. And make sure you're mixing it with something that tastes good because it has a bitter taste. This sounds like all negative stuff, but the stuff has a lot of calcium. It is just a good liver cleanse. It's an overall detox. It is amazing. It is not a weed. It is a vegetable. It's a green and it's good for you. Get yourself some dandelion. I'm Gary Bosek and this is Juice Raw Veggies.